This one isn't looking too bad so far. Head looks perfect. Doesn't look bad though. Yeah, this sound I hear is just the clutch. Well, the piston looks really good condition. Like really good. It doesn't even look like this thing has as much miles on this piston as it says. Assuming this piston was probably replaced at some point. Well, as you saw, I got excited and started stripping down the cylinder and taking a look at the piston before I even got the clutch case off. But I didn't find anything too wrong with the cylinder or the piston or anything on the actual motor part itself. So it was time to get the clutch case taken back apart and see if we can figure out any other underlying issues that are underneath here.